Welcome back, weirdos. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So Model Ones reached out, wanted to send me some of their new goodies. So I'm going to do a quick little unboxing, show you what they sent over. I could not possibly use everything they sent me today. They sent me so much stuff. And thank you so much to Model Ones for sending over all this stuff and sponsoring another video. I so appreciate you guys. Model Ones is an amazing company. As you may have heard, I am newly obsessed with their acrylic powder. Oh my God, it's so freaking good. They sent over some of their dips, some of their builder gel, some of their extensions, cream polish, gel polish. Y'all, so many new beautiful things. If you are new to their cream gels, they all come with a brush, which is super convenient. The colors are always beautiful. Wait till you see the next palette. I cannot wait to dive into this. As soon as I saw it, I'm like, oh, look at these colors. I'm going to do it. I'm going to open it up because I had to see it for myself with my own naked eyes, and it did not disappoint. Absolutely gorgeous. You guys are going to have to let me know if you want me to do a video with any of these other products, and I will happily put that together for you. I could not wait, though, to dive into the dip powders and some of these gel polishes. I have been manifesting spring. Now, I know I'm in Florida. It's already hot here, but I couldn't wait to get into spring colors. I needed some spring palette in my life. So I'm going to play today with one of the dip powders and do a little bit of nail art with some of these gel polishes that are just so beautiful. And I was really pleasantly surprised to see some pinks and a white. I'm like, a white? It's not often you get a nice gel collection with a good white in it, so I'm going to use those today also. I'm really excited about the extensions. I kind of want to give them a go, even though I've been really enjoying my short little nublet nails lately. So again, if that's something you want to see, let me know down below. And let me know if you've tried Model Ones before. Any of the products you see, if you've tried them, let me know. Let me know what your experience was. Even if you didn't like them, let me know, because I want to be prepared. Prepare me for all the things, even though I've used most of Model 1 stuff already. This is the dip powder collection they sent over. It comes with a bunch of stuff, including a cuticle oil, a buffing block, which I'm so grateful for. I'm like, I don't know if they heard me or not when I said I wanted a buffing block in my kit, but they sent it over. It comes with replacement bottle brushes. It comes with, I think, 20 dip powders, which is absolutely insane. I didn't swatch them all out for you, but I'll leave a color, a picture of all the colors up on the screen somewhere for you. It also comes with 4 dip liquids. You got your dip base coat, your activator, your top coat, and a brush saver. I'm going to go ahead and use my Model One's clear acrylic also, just because it's my fave. It's my favorite clear. I've been using it pretty much exclusively for what seems like forever. So I'm going to go ahead and use that also. Everything that I'm using will be linked down below for you guys. If it's anything that you can't find, just leave me a comment and I'll make sure I get it up there for you, because I'm forgetful. I'm old. I don't remember everything all the time. So this is the color that I chose. I know a lot of you are like, Marla, it's a green. Yes, it is. But I really like this green. I thought it looked really nice against my skin tone. Color 450, I believe. It's one of those kind of like a pastel, but like a neon pastel moment. It's just beautiful. It's really cool toned. It's really pale but neon at the same time. So I thought it would look beautiful. So we're going to get right into it. And I'm just going to do my very basic dip powder application. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Marla Kris. Thanks for being here. If you want a very detailed step-by-step, because this is more of a review video, if you will, but if you want a step-by-step tutorial on how I do my dip powder nails at home, I'll leave my real-time dip application. Yes, real-time. It's not super long. Don't worry. I won't hold you hostage for that long, but I'll leave that up in the cards for you to check out in case you want to see it. I will likely also leave my removal video, because I do get a lot of questions on how you remove the dip powder once you've applied it. So I'll make sure to leave that up there for you as well. So as you can see, this color applies beautifully. There's no streakiness, no patchiness. I was really pleasantly surprised, even though I shouldn't be, because I use Model One's products literally all the time and I've really never had an issue. Model One's puts out some really great dip powders, and if you like their dip powders, you're going to love their acrylics. Literally some of my faves of all time ever. I'll leave my favorite acrylic powder down for you guys in the description box as well. Literally, I have no words. I'm shooketh beyond belief of their acrylic powder. And yes, dip is acrylic. I will get into that probably in a future video. But yes, dip powder is acrylic. Essentially, it's the same thing, and you can use them interchangeably most of the time. Anyways, this color, true to what I thought it would be, is absolutely beautiful. It looks fabulous against my skin tone, I think, in my humble opinion. But if you're looking for a really beautiful pastel-y neon soft green color for spring, this is a good one. And you get so many other colors in this kit. They're all beautiful. They're all perfect for the upcoming spring and into summer seasons. I think this is a no-fail dip kit if you are in the market for a new one. So I'm going to go ahead and get this first dip done on all of my nails. I'm going to take off the excess. I'm going to do a second coat off camera. I only needed 2 coats of this color. Full opacity, 0 issues, and then we're going to do a clear cap. If you're wondering if you need a clear cap, you may or may not. I like to do a clear cap for 2 reasons. One, it's going to add extra strength to my nail because pigmented dip powder tends to be less strong because it's compromised by pigment, right? So clear is the strongest acrylic. It'll add a little bit of extra strength, but also it'll protect your color when you're filing and buffing so you don't remove that pigment and make it look patchy and weird. So I like to do a clear cap. If you are not concerned with protecting the color, you can do clear underneath your color if you want to go that route too. Or you can skip it altogether. I don't know your life, your personal preference, but that's what I like to do for my own nails. So I'm going to get all that done. Then I'm going to file and buff off camera, but I'll leave that video up in the cards if you want to see how I do that as well. And then we're going to get into the easiest, cutest little polka dot flower nail art ever. It's adorbs. So these filed up beautifully, barely any effort. The application was so good, it really didn't need a whole lot of filing at all. I cleaned up the shape, went over everything with the buffing block. Now we're going to get into the nail art. I'm only going to use 2 colors from the gels they sent over. This beautiful bright pink paired with this perfect white, and we're going to do some really simple dot flowers. The only thing you're going to need for this really is a dotting tool. You don't have to use a dotting tool. You can use a toothpick, a bobby pin, whatever you have laying around. And I'm going to do 5 little dots in what seem to be a flower formation. And I'm going to do this a couple of times on the nail. I think I did 3 little flowers on each nail. The pinky nail I'm going to do off camera because you're seeing it once. You don't need to see it twice. So once I have the flower formation petals, if you will, done on the nail, do I know words? On the nail, I'm going to go ahead and cure that for a full 30 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with the white and put the white dot in the center of the flower and then cure that. And that's literally it. Easiest nail art ever. This is perfect for your dominant hand. If you think you cannot do nail art on your dominant hand, I'm going to tell you you're wrong. This one you can do. 100%, you got this. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in that white dot, finish the cure, get this all cured completely. I am using a 96 watt LED UV lamp. It's my favorite lamp. I'll leave it linked down below. And then we're going to top coat. So I am using the Model 1's gel top coat and base coat because I did the gel nail art, and it's my preference to use the gel top coat. If you don't want to, you can totally use your dip powder top coat. That's absolutely fine. But I'm going to do a gel base first. I've had a lot of questions about this, so I figured I would explain myself. Typically when I'm doing a gel top coat, I don't use a gel base because I don't wear nails for very long. I use peel off base coat. But if you have gel peeling problems, you're going to want to use a gel base and then your gel top. Cure the gel base 30 seconds, gel top for 60. I did wash my hands after I did my gel top and I cured it because I want to make sure there's nothing left on the nail that could cause a gel allergy. And now I'm going in with my cuticle oil. This is the one from Model 1's. Very light scent, not offensive whatsoever. Super subtle, absorbed beautifully as you're going to see. Super quick absorption, which I really like because I don't want my hands to look like I just ate a bucket of fried chicken after I'm done doing my nails. I don't want to be greasy and gross. So that's it. I hope you guys found this video enjoyable, helpful, entertaining, something. Let me know down below. And if you liked it during any part of the video, please give me a thumbs up so I know you liked it. It really helps out my channel. I'm going to cleanse off the excess oil from the nails, and we are literally done. I'm obsessed. This is adorable. So perfect for spring. I hope you guys liked it. I hope the rest of your day is as beautiful as you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you. Bye.